If you'd like to do a little housekeeping in your Content Control Center, you can use the Archive feature. This will hide messages, but you can unhide them at any time. To demonstrate, we'll archive the telehealth message. Click the File box icon. This pop-up is for customers with streaming audio, not if you download messages as files. It's a reminder that archiving a message makes it unavailable in the stream. The message is now hidden. To view archived messages, click here, Show Archived. All of the archived messages appear at the bottom of the page. The orange color and the archived badge indicate an archive topic. To take a message out of your archive, once again, click the File box icon. Here's another reminder that if you are streaming messages, you'll need to turn this message back on before it will play in the stream. The telehealth message is back. If you are streaming messages, you should check the schedule. Just click the calendar icon. If the schedule looks good, click the calendar again to collapse the settings and turn the topic on. Archiving is a simple way to stay organized in your Easy on Hold Content Control Center.